Hey everyone, I did it. I published an ebook. This ebook is called How to Start a Blog Flipping Business. And it's a little short ebook, but it's to the point and it answers all of the frequently asked questions people out there ask me. You know, about 3 times a week someone says, "Hey Brand, how do I sell my blog? Hey Brand, what should I list my blog for? Hey, I want to get out of the blogging industry and I just want to sell this blog. What should I list it for? How should I start? Can I list it on Flippa?" All of these questions have come to me throughout the months, and again, like 3 times a week. So I decided to just help everyone out and create this ebook. This ebook will answer every question you have about selling blogs, and it'll share some tips for how to start a blog flipping business. That is, if you're looking to add this to your revenue stream. Flipping blog sites, mainly niche blogs like parenting blogs, country lifestyle blogs, pet blogs, was an additional revenue stream for me. I go ahead and I build the WordPress blog and I write content during my free time in between clients during the week. And once it has about 25 posts, sometimes 10, I go ahead and list it up for sale. I've been able to do this process repetitively and earn anywhere between $150 to $2,000 per niche site. It depends on what niche you pick. It depends on how much content is there. It doesn't so much depend on how much revenue it's making. For example, my parenting blog sold for around $2,000 before taxes and fees, and it had about 200 blog posts on it, but it was only making about $4 per month. So the lowest selling blog that recently sold was My Pet Rats, and that sold for about 150. I don't even know if it had maybe 10 blog posts on it, and it wasn't making any revenue. So there's definitely a wide range of options and how much money you can earn with this industry. It's all a matter of what is your end goal and what type of niche are you really focused on. I actually lay out all of these steps in my How to Start a Blog Flipping Business ebook. So you don't have to worry about pausing this video to make notes. I have it all in the ebook. If you're wondering what is the best price to sell my blog for, where can I sell my blog, and how do I stay firm in negotiating the price, then please hop on over to brandyellen.com to type in the search thing, how to sell my blog, and you'll probably see my ebook sales page pop up. And that ebook sales page is where you can go ahead and go through the secure PayPal checkout process and buy my ebook. If you're watching this on YouTube, I've probably provided a link in the description. So go on ahead, click that link, go to brandyellen.com, purchase this ebook, and start your journey with your blog flipping business. I'm confident you'll enjoy it, especially if you love writing, and it'll be a nice additional revenue stream for anybody out there looking to add a side hustle to their current income. I wish you much success and lots of luck in your future business endeavors, and I thank you for your continued support.